So can everybody see this? Perfect. And the mic still works. So here's my template, as you can see. And these are different cases. Here's the patient. And it is 9:28 up there. So hopefully I can show you how to do it in less than 5 minutes. But basically I'll copy the patient, go to an empty slide, paste that patient, paste the patient again here, right next to him. So it's a side-by-side comparison. Notice how it stays in the same position and it actually magically just snaps into position. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to use a tool named shape and I'm going to track the lip. Okay. And then I'm going to cut the lip. I'm going to say done. I'm going to paste it. It's actually here. Do you guys see this? Now I have the lip. Now I'm going to choose one of these beautiful teeth. Let's go with this person. I'm going to take this, go back to this slide. So I copied it from one slide to the other. I'm going to cut the area that I want to keep, which is this set of teeth right here. I'm going to zoom in. I want to get rid of the black background, so I'm actually going to use something called an alpha tool. With the alpha tool, I'm able to get rid of any colors that I want. And now I have this. Now I'm just going to shrink this the way I want it. I can control the vertical, the width, whatever I want. And I'm going to reduce the opacity of this so I can see the patient. Obviously, you need to understand smile designing. And once you understand the steps on how to smile design, you really can do this in under 5 to 10 minutes. But what I'm going to do at this point, I'm going to go to style and actually reduce the opacity. And I can see, let's say I determined the midline of the patient to be right where the philtrum is. Let's just say I did that. Well, I can actually see where I want my midline to be using this black line that I just put there. I can do that, reduce the size of the teeth if I want, bring them in so the patient doesn't have overly full buccal corridors, and simply take the lip and move it to the front. The teeth are so white, so what do? Simple. I'll just go to image, and then I'll go to saturation, reduce the saturation, go to this option, increase the temperature a little bit. And I can play with this if I wanted, but at this point, I'm just trying to explain to you, it can be done. This is a patient, and you can show the patient side by side that this can be done in less than 5 minutes.